In this short tutorial, I will show you how to lock your Messenger app with Face ID. By setting up Face ID lock on your Messenger app, you can ensure that only you can access your messages and protect your privacy. It's a simple yet effective way to secure your conversations and keep them safe from prying eyes. To get started, open up the Messenger app and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Privacy and Safety. Now you'll see a section called Security, and in that section you'll see an option called App Lock. Just tap on it. To lock your Messenger app with Face ID, simply toggle on this switch over here. Tap Allow to give permission. If you want, you can also tweak the setting at the bottom and set it to require Face ID after you leave Messenger. By selecting that, it scans the face every time before opening the Messenger app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.